Hi guys, welcome in. It's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess Today. How are you doing? Well, as promised, I finished some Halloween junk grab bags, junk journal grab bags this morning. It took me a while. I apologize, but we can get them out in the mail for you tomorrow if you're ready, and they'll be there in a couple of days because I usually use USPS flat rate, and it's 1 to 3 days, so it's really fast. But anyway, so you'll have plenty of time to play with them before Halloween. So let's get started. And as per usual, this is a sampling of what's in every package. Not every package is exactly the same because I don't have, I actually made 6 packs, so I'm happy to have 6 packs. Thought I was only going to get 4. I could have done a few more, but I thought I better keep some so I can actually play with you guys. So yeah, anyway, so basically it's a sampling of stuff that's in the same kind of junk journal you're all going to get. So we'll save the little stuff, the little grab bag for later. And let's just get going through this. So everybody's going to get 3 of these. And I love these. They're like little spooky girls and boys. And this is Costa Fierce and Gil Weber and Laguna Blue. She's got her little hat on. Anyway, so these are adorable. I consider these like paper dolls. And there's little skeletons on there and little witch hats and stuff like that. And these are fun because if you watch my channel, you know that this right here is beautiful texture for the outside of your junk journal. So don't just use this. Use this. If you don't use this, then you're missing out. So that's these. And some napkins. Everybody's going to get a couple of these little crows. Don't forget to take off the second layer of the napkin before you glue these down, but these are really cute. And then I did find some fall napkins that I just threw in here too, some pumpkins and a few different kinds of fall napkins in my stash. So I just threw those in there for you. Everybody's going to get some type of scary words. So yeah, there's that. So they're all different. But this one has ghost story, supernatural, midnight, October, vampire. This one has bones, skull, poison, ghastly, fairy wings, pixie dust, gruesome. Everybody's gonna get some words of some sort. Everybody's gonna get some pieces of some fabric as well. They'll all be different, but everybody will get some kind of sampling that's like this, and they're just little pieces for you to use on your junk journal pages, on your ATCs or whatever. Some lace. I don't know if everybody's going to get a piece of that or not. I know this is the only one with this, but that's okay. But everybody is going to get a piece of this like netting, black netting. And I love this black netting. You can use this, glue this down. It glues down really, really well. I've used it before. You've seen it in my spooky journal. And you can also spray paint through it. So that's fun, but everybody is going to get a piece of that. Everybody's going to get some kind of a stencil. Just like, these are like little paper stencils. They're not fancy, but yeah, little stencil. Some more fabric of sorts. And then some more Halloween. Nope, not everybody's going to get these. These are just some of these images that I made. But these, when you glue them down, they look good and spooky in your journals. And just some images of sorts, whatever I could find. These came out of that one book that I have. I thought they were pretty cool. I think there's another one in here, another piece of this. I thought everybody got 3. Yeah, there it is. So this is just really cool images. And then just some Halloween paper, some more images, and then some more scrap paper, Halloween scrap paper. Double-sided. Double-sided, look at the teeth. Isn't that cute? These are skeletons on that side. This one's got some bling and shiny on it. And then here's some more. I was going to say it's double-sided, but it is not. Just some, like, beautiful, like, wallpaper-ish type of... It's paper, but doesn't it look like a haunted mansion, like, wallpaper? You could really darken that up. And then there's just a piece of some tissue paper and some more scrap papers. Some more of these kind of scrap papers. These are double-sided. This one's pretty cool. It looks like it has a... You can hear Misty, Mally back there. Not Misty. Anyway, and then a piece of this paper. All right. Okay, so now let's go through the So this is going to be in the bigger package in your box, in your envelope. And I don't know how much this weighs or anything, and I don't know how many pieces are in here. I just know that there's a lot, you know, and it's a great little Halloween junk journal start, you know, to play with. So I hope you enjoy it. There's going to be a lot of vellum in each one of these packages. There's a lot of this vellum to play with, which is a lot of fun. I'm going to put that down here. This is kind of sparkly. Yeah. So I shared a lot of this vellum with you guys to use for doors, windows, you know, whatever you want to use it for. This is just a piece of this gold, and that's really pretty. This has got some music. I don't know if you can see the music. Yeah, there, a little bit. Isn't that pretty? There's an H with some music. And another rose. These look like a black rose to me. I just love them. Some more of that. And then some kind of a stamp. Oh, there's like an astronaut on there or something. Yeah. And then this. Yeah, this is astronaut. It goes with this. Oh, and everybody's going to get some of these gnarly cards. I think they're the Walking Dead cards. I think there's 4 or 5 in here for each of you. Some a little ribbon that was a ribbon, and now it's a couple of skulls to play with. A button. It comes off there. Piece of paper. Some scrap. Some more scrap. Some more scary scrap. Oh, and these, I got to tell you about these. Now, you can find more if you, these I painted. Actually, that was a stamp that I stenciled. A stamp, I mean, and then I colored it a long time ago. Anyway, so these I need to tell you about. These are really great. You can find these images on the Graphic Fairies if you're interested in more of these. Not this, but things like this. So go, if you want some really cool images, you can go to the Graphic Fairy and download them for free. So there you go. And then some of these little paper cutouts are so cool. And the Graphic Fairy, if she's still doing it, these I did years and years and years ago. If she's still doing it, she does a new download every Friday. So, and here's just some plastic pumpkins. Just texture, you know, texture is a good thing. A couple of fall jars. Some more vellum. I don't know what these are. Typewriter. Oh, these are the writing magic ones, like magical writing ones. So let's see, there's that. I love that. That's beautiful with a pen and a book, a journal. And just some scraps and some more of those Walking Dead horror cards. Horrific. More of that. Another one of these little writing typewriter. And then some more of these like vellum. I just love these vellums. You can just add these to pockets and whatnot, even pages. You can staple them on pages. Use your stapler, you guys. It's a good thing. So that's it. They're ready to go. They're in my Etsy shop. There's 6 of them if you are interested. And I won't be doing any more ever on these Halloween junk journals. I was thinking today, am I going to be doing any more junk grab bags ever again? And then I was thinking, actually, yeah, I am. I'm going to, maybe. I have Christmas to go through. So come Christmas time, if that's more your speed, I will have Christmas junk journal grab bags, but not a lot. It takes a lot of time to sift through everything, to make the piles, to make sure everybody has kind of the same thing. It's a real time suck, but I enjoy doing it, and I love sharing my stash. So I did keep a lot so that I could play with you. So the next one I think I'm going to do real soon is going to be in my little junk journal, not my spooky journal, but my little junk journal, so we can play with some of this stuff together. Anyway, all right, you guys, it's up in my Etsy shop if you're interested. The link is down below, and I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Hope everybody's well, and stay scary. Bye.